I created this video with AI completely free. Let me show you how to create these amazing animation video with AI. This will be the complete step-by-step tutorial you will come across. We will generate still images and transform them into amazing animated video like this. Also, I will show you how to make the characters move their lips according to your script and scenes. With this tutorial, you will be able to generate anything you can imagine, making every creation unique to you. You can even produce them at an animation studio level if you dedicate the time and perfect the method. You will be able to earn money on YouTube, or even create these animations for clients if you wish, and charge them for your work in the freelance platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. So let's start with step 1. As with all great things, we start with an idea, and for that we will use Chat GPT. Take your idea and be very specific and detailed about the style, mood, and environment you want your animation to have. Now that we have described our story to Chat GPT, we will ask it to give us the scene sequence based on the duration of the film and also the image idea. You will get this exact prompt in the description below, which you can tweak and change according to your creations. I will request the scene sequence with sound effects from Chat GPT as well. Remember, as detailed the prompt is, Chat GPT is more likely to provide the better input, and the uniqueness of your creation will come from your mind to life. Camera angles, music, and sound editing all play a massive part in setting the scenes. Now, after each scene and the image idea have been generated from Chat GPT, we will move on to the step 2, which is to generate images from text. For that, we will be using Bluewillow AI if you want a detailed step-by-step tutorial over Bluewillow. You can refer my previous video, which you will get in the description box and also in the I button above. Simply join the Discord server and head on to one of the rookie channel to get started with image generation. Type /imagine and paste the prompt generated from Chat GPT and add *16.9 at the end of the prompt as we are generating images for YouTube videos, and hit enter. Within 10 to 20 seconds, your images will be generated. See how nice this images looks? Isn't this amazing? If you want, you can also add cartoon style or Disney style keyword at the end to make more seamless animation video. Step 3. It is where the magic happens. I have tried many image-to-video generators and found Pikalabs to be most effective and easy to use tool. This tool is completely free to use to start generating our video from images. Let's head over to the Pikalabs Discord server and join any of the generate channels, which is important for image generation. Then type /create in the prompt box below and write love story, as we are creating video for love story, and click on the plus icon and choose the images. This way, we will create each videos for each scene from Pikalabs. Remember to input one images at a time only before hitting enter. Specify the movement you desire in the scene, like a gentle wind or a smile. Remember to check notifications under the Mentions tab to find all your generated results in one place, ensuring you don't miss any over the pool of images generated by other users. Once you have the videos downloaded, now comes step 4. Now we need to generate voiceover for our videos to generate voices with AI. I will use 11 Labs because it's excellent and relatively affordable one to start using. 11 Labs sign in using your Gmail and head on to the speech synthesis option, as you can see now. Choose your desired voice character from the list of voices and set the stability to 75% for better clarity. After all the setting is done, paste your script generated from Chat GPT and hit the generate button, and within 30 seconds your voiceover will be ready. Step 5. Now we need to sync audio with the video for seamless watching experience. For that, we will be using Canva. Log on to the Canva and click Create a Design and choose YouTube Design Size, as we are creating YouTube videos. After that, choose Upload and upload all your generated videos and audio, and after it's uploaded, set each video scene by scene in sequence with the script and add audio to it. You must be seeing Pikalabs watermark in the video, but don't worry, we can easily remove that in Canva. Click on the slide for which you want to remove watermark, select crop option, and adjust your slide accordingly to hide the watermark from your video. Now, once you are satisfied with your video, click the download button and download your video. Now comes the last and final step of adding lip sync to the video. For that, we will be using Lalamu Studio. This is free and user-friendly tool to get started. Just upload your clip and the voiceover, then hit generate. The only drawback of this tool is that it reduces the video quality. But no worries, we can improve its quality. Just head over to Google and type Video Quality Enhancer free tool, and you will get many options. Choose anyone. All will perform the same task. This is the final video output. Enjoy your video. A serene park with a couple sitting on a bench, holding hands and looking into each other's eyes, portraying love and happiness. A montage of scenes showing Emily and Daniel sharing laughter, going on picnics, and exchanging gifts, portraying their joyful moments. A dimly lit room with Emily and Daniel sitting apart, depicting the growing